Hello students, welcome. And in this video we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a special meal that someone made for you. So the first question is, should students learn to cook at school? Yes, cooking is an essential life skill, and by having students actively plan, prepare and cook meals themselves, we can build self-reliance. Self-reliance, they are not relied upon someone else to cook for them. Also, it would remove dependence on pre-packaged or restaurant foods and would reinforce nutrition education and how dietary choices impact overall health and well-being. Students nowadays are more reliant on fast foods, on pre-packaged foods. If they cook food for themselves or if they know how to cook, they will not need unhealthy pre-packaged foods. Second question is, do you think people's eating habits would change as they get older? Yes. I feel our eating patterns undergo significant shifts across different life stages. Also, as metabolism slows and conditions like high blood pressure arise, one needs to become more precautious with what they eat. While convenience and taste drives young appetites, more nuanced priorities like health, culture, and ethics tend to influence dietary choices as we grow older. So, as we grow older, we tend to look more for healthy products. Or nowadays, people are becoming more savvy about what they eat. Want to know how much calories they are consuming in a day, what is the nutritional benefit of what they are eating, etc. etc. They're trying to move from processed food to unprocessed food. Okay. Third question is, do people in India like to learn to cook from TV programs? Yes, people in India love to watch cooking shows as viewers get to explore lesser known regional specialities and recipes from outside their local traditions. Chefs like Sanjeev Kapoor inspire home cooks, simplify complex techniques, and making ethnic dishes feel accessible. Okay, there are many channels, food channels in India. Sanjeev Kapoor is a very famous chef, and people watch his YouTube videos and learn new dishes. Okay. Fourth question is, what kind of fast foods are popular in India? India's fast food is vast and varies by region, but popular items like samosas, chaats, vada pav, dosas, and pakora. Alongside traditional options, modern fast casual food chains blend Indian flavors into burgers, sandwiches, and other food. This vibrant landscape shows India's interwoven culinary tradition. Okay, now we have paneer makhni burger. Paneer makhni is an Indian dish. Burger originates from Germany, so we have fused it together. Okay. Fifth and the last question is, are there any people who wouldn't eat meat for their whole lives? Yes, many people avoid eating meat for ethical, environmental, and cultural reasons. Nowadays, many are motivated by veganism, lower carbon footprint, and environmental sustainability. Some adopt these diets for the health benefits of plant based eating in reducing diseases. Okay, so what is veganism? Veganism is when people abstain from eating any cow milk products, okay, or any milk products in general, and avoid any kind of meat. Okay, so traditional milk is replaced by milk from cashews, oats, or other kinds of milks. Okay, or soy milk primarily. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button